What number should replace the question mark? 63, 97, 49, 56, 73, 24. Question mark 36, 54. Answer is 27. In the first row, divide every number by 7 to obtain the digits in the middle. In the second row, divide by 8, and in the third row, divide by 9. Thanks for watching.